Sunday morning. Nya, si Kayla, ganahan kayo magamit-gamit. Ano yung singa nila? Brigadira.
Brigadira. Okay, mag-water daw siya sa plant.
Mag-water daw ni siya ay. Kani siya ay morning bayhana.
Mag-water ka na. Dara, bring your kuan.
Bring your kuan.
Brigadira.
Brigadira.
Ayaw yan ha, kay mga yabo. Hold it here. Ah.
Kanina ra gyud kay siya nga. Kuan gahapon man nina mo gipalit ning iyahang isa ni brigadira. Nya kagamito na kay siya so mo na.
First,
Start
Yeah.
dito sa kuan.
Start dito.
could I put it in the flower here?
Oh, sige. Be, sus. Kinoo, magbasa-basa.
Wow!
Wow! Lala, nasa sawg.
That's it?
No, on the other side too. Na.
Basa ni mo feet.
Oh no.
Sarabak ka.
Oh no. Ana, oh, dali, ana. Like that.
Other one na sad.
Okay.
Other one, dito na sad.
Wait, is this one that way?
Oh, yeah,
Wait,
it's okay.
One more.
Good morning, sunshine.
Good morning, sunshine.
Say good morning, sunshine.
Good morning, sunshine.
It's a Sunday.
A Sunday.
Sunshine.
Sunshine. Yeah, before me mo church, mamubo sa siya. Sus, ginoo ko.
That's it?
Si Manlang.
Si Mana.
Okay, the other one.
The other ones, kanang mga anak ni Mami.
Can I put it in here?
Yeah, on the soil.
Ah.
Uy, ala, sa soil lang. Down, knock down. Ana. Ana.
Brigadira. Hindi mo na mo. Sirit. Ato de fix bit.
Saon malaging duwaan naman na nga rigadira. Rigadira. Oh, nara. Nakuan na dito. Oh, wow.
Okay, kato na sad.
Other one.
Yeah, that one. Everything, ha? Kaya gipanggawas ni dading ubang plants ni Mommy. Ayo sa top, sa bottom, ra. Ana. Good
Will
job.
it grow big?
Ha?
Will it grow big?
Yes.
Mag-atag water bit.
Ka, dugangi, daddy.
Ano?
Yeah.
Nice king
Mag-atag
weather
water.
today.
Ready for the house?
It's around 10 a.m.
I'm gonna go get some more water.
You wanna get some more water? Sige, dugangin na imong tubig. Eh, dito mi kahapon sa dollar store niya. Magpapalit ta siya payong. Karon kita man siya
Full, full.
Full?
i-full. Oh, pa
That's
gani.
it? It's heavy
Oh,
na.
heavy na. So, payong tato ay papalit. Unya kita man siya aning rigadera unya.
Just hold it
Excited
here.
man kay siya ana. Sige. Kasi ako na yung mag-water sa plants. Okay, napadito yung plants. Dali, gawas to dad. Okay, para ma-water ni... Yeah, water ni madam. Sige, jam. Sa bottom, ha? Okay, ana.
That's it?
Good job. Iwi, diri na sad kani.
Small one.
Yeah, the small
That's mine.
Huh?
That's mine.
That's yours?
Yeah.
Naman, small plant?
Yeah.
That one, the big one. Oh. Wet na imong socks? It's okay. Labhan na lang na ni Mommy. Oh, sige na.
Oh.
Make sure nga ma-wet ang soil. Oh, naglisod ka? Let me help you. Ano? Oh.
It's so far.
So far, oh, ano? Okay.
Yay.
Yay! Kani pa?
This
Yeah, kana pa. Na, kanipod. Ato pa din ning ibalhin, wa jud ko kapalit og dako nga kaang dade. Dako na kay ni siya nga tanom. Pinalit ni nako sa Costco mga 4 years ago. Dugay na ni siya. Ha? You need more? O sige, padugangan na to ni daddy. Sige.
Kung adag water bit.
I like to water the.
Muni siya, o dako na kay ni siya nga tanom, oh.
Ah.
We bought that at Costco. Ni nabasa na tong tiil dire, napaay. Kailangan pa na nimo i-water lang ga, okay?
I don't think I need socks.
Oh, sige, remove na lang your socks.
Don't put it in the.
Na lang akong pinalit sa Canadian Tire, nga mong pinalit pag Friday. Guwapa na kayo. So nice, sunny day today, not too hot.
Kidding. Wait, there's more plants over here?
Yeah, there's more plants.
Thank you.
Sige, thank you. Thank you, Kayla. You're such a great help.
Mom, I
Oh.
want you to help me do this.
Oh, naro. The next one. You can do it. Mga small naman ang plants. Diri lang ka sa bottom, anak. Wow.
So many plants over here.
Nasad.
Wow.
Basa-basa na ka sa tong floor. Ah, sige.
Wait. This one too?
Basa-basa siya sa floor. Sige lang.
Wow.
Wow. Oh. Ay. Ganun ang sound. Ay, mong
Leaves
gibubuan.
man yung gibutangan.
Ang leaves. Oh. Sige.
That's
Okay,
it.
that's it. That's it for your morning routine.
Did I water this?
Yes, you did already, my love.
I don't know if I did.
Sige, you do it again. Not too much kay malata man sad ang flowers na if you put a lot of water. Okay, you just put your regadera there so you can water them again in the afternoon.
When we come back home?
Yeah, kay mo church pa man ta kasi it's a Sunday, right? Okay? Okay, love?
This one too. Kana.
This one too.
This one again?
Add more.
Yeah, again. Add a little more. There.
We need more.
There is a soil. Na.
We need more over here.
Sige more. Sige, that's it.
That's it.
No.
Put your kwan dito ka.
Put your
I
regadera.
need to fill it for later.
Oh, later na mag-fill.
I need to fill it for right here, and I'll get it, and then I'll like.
Oh, later na. When we water again, we'll fill it, okay? You put it on the side lang usa. Kao lang ga.
Right, I got an idea. I
What's-
can put it over here.
Ma-fall. Ano lang din na sa outside, oh. Nga. Good job. Thank you, Kayla.
You to put yours right
Hey,
here.
thank you.
Thank you for watching our video, and thank you for all the subscribers. And I'll see you in the next one when I'm like getting home from church.
Okay, bye.
Mwah.
Oh, human na in tawag pa mo ubo among manang. So, good morning mga plants. Good morning. Wa pa ko kadugang og palit og plant. Uy, napa ko'y empty dito nga kuan oh. Nga unsa ni? Kaang. Oh, ako mga tanom. Nara ang pinakadako. Daghan na kay na siya niagi na siya COVID. Buhi lang po na siya. Wala siya ako mga plants. Hopefully makapalit ko og dugang nga plant unyang hapon.